We'll continue with the 12th standard economics, concept of macroeconomics. So here we can see the concept. First we can see stock, flow, variable, economic models. Here you can see stock first. All the quantity of a commodity. That means money supply, unemployment, foreign exchange, capital, everything. That means quantity of a commodity means per the year how much we are producing. And for the year, money supply in the sense for 1 year how much money is currency is printed. Unemployment, how many people are not employed. Like that. Survey, foreign exchange means Indian rupees, foreign rupees, how much we are paying. So all this join together stock. Next, flow of variable, that is total national income. Is import and export. For yearly, how much we are exporting, how much we are importing. That all has to be taken into consideration. Next is a economic model. Economic model is usually it will be have mathematical graphs, equation like that. In TV also corona period 1 day how many has affected, to second day, third week, like that. The map is bar chart also will be there, like that graphs will be drawn. So more commonly used economic models is a supply and demand. On the base of a supply, how the demand is there, according to the demand how the supply is there. That means இப்போ வந்து கொரோனாக்காக vaccine is demand, supply is there or not. I am giving an example. So according to that their survey is taken. So circular Smith model, a flow model we can see. So that can be, next we can see this circular flow of income can be categorized into three. First is 2 sector, 3 sector, 4 sector. Mostly it will be shown the income of a goods and services and the production. So first we will go for the 2 sector. Here in the 2 sectors, we can see household things and the firm. Firm na industry. Household na number each individual home, number veedu irukla and the veedu home we can consider household na. For example, I am giving example to explain this household sector. For example, your father is there, your daddy is there. Your daddy is working in some company or industry. That industry is manufacturing a fridge, TV or anything. So that and all the household things manufactured. If your father is getting a salary, how he is getting after manufacturing, that company sells that fridge, TV எல்லாம் வித்தாங்கன்னா sold is over na, in that income, in that profit, your daddy is getting a salary. In the same way only in your home, your daddy's salary is there. In that, using that salary only, your household needs, suppose your house needs fridge, suppose your house needs TV na, using that salary only you are buying that fridge, TV. So this is what a circular. So father is getting a salary, is buying a TV, fridge. Company is getting a income after selling all. So 2 circular. Manufacture பண்ணாத salary கிடைக்கும், salary கிடைச்சாதான் நீ வாங்கு. So this is a 2 that is what 2 sector. For that they are telling here you can see maybe all the land, labor, I gave example, so it will be included in all that. So you can see the mind map, you can see here. So consumer expenditure, so 2 sector, this is what, from the firm to the house, from the house to the firm. Firm, how we are getting home people, the common people getting firm buys na, firm will get a profit. Firm will give the salary to the employee. That employee may be the member of the household, house or your family. So this is what a 2 sector. It includes all wage, rent, dividend, everything will come. Next, for that is the formula will be Y is equal to C plus I. Y means income, C means consumption, I is the investment. So next we'll go for the 3 sector. Three sector as usual, same thing, household things, firm, government. One included is the government. Here what the government as usual same the household, firm, as we said in this two sector same. Here included government, I said. Government what they will do, they levies the tax, they will put the tax on the household. So when your daddy is buying a TV or fridge, daddy has to pay the tax. GST, he has to pay the tax. That tax is going to the government. In the same way, a manufacturer manufactures the TV, fridge, that manufacturer also has to pay the GST. That means GST or a tax we can say. So that tax and all will be going to the government. What the government will do using all this tax, it will transfer it as a pension or a relief fund. Corona for each house they don't have a salary or income, relief fund they are giving. The same way many relief fund, natural calamities a relief fund or tsunami relief fund is there. For that type of a fund they will relief fund they will give. So subsidies they will give. So this is a formula for this one is that Y is equal to C plus I plus G. Y is the income, C is the consumption, I is the investment, G is the government. Next we'll go for the fourth sector. See here everything as usual, household, firm will be there, government will be there, and one more is included here is that we can say the rest of the world. In the book also they given is the external sector. External sector na number country ko outer world connection. How we will do the connection? We are exporting to the other country or importing from the other country. That and all will be. So if we export only, we'll get the income. Number vittana nammukku income. Vaangna nammukku income illiya. Okay, expense only will become more. So what the government, the domestic expenditure abdina, India la 1 year how much expenditure, how I am paying to the as a salary to all my citizens. I am improving infrastructure, buildings, roads, dams. I am spending amount on that. So that and all minus, that and all that expenditure, and also net export, how much I am exporting to other country. Foreign country, maybe USA, America, Canada, and export panna nammukku income varum. Namba vitha kaasu varum. Unlike that, I'm spending and exporting to the other country, I'll get income. So all together only we'll have a fourth sector income. So for that you can see the formula will be there. Y is equal to C plus I plus G. That means G government. C is the consumption, I is the investment, G is the government, X minus M, export minus expenditure. Okay. So all this only will have three sectors. So from this will conclude or end of the lesson 1. Thank you.